welcome back. Papa Missouri here, guys. Today we have something pretty cool. We've opened Pokemon cards, packs, tins, ETBs, bags, anything, right? No. We've never opened a booster bundle box. This has 6 booster packs in it. We picked this up while we were in St. Joseph, Missouri for F Cancer this year. Cannot wait to get into this. It's Obsidian Flames, Scarlet and Violet. Not a huge fan of Scarlet and Violet sets, but let's see what we can get out of these 6 packs. Hopefully we can hit a banger right after this. Alright guys, like we said, we have never opened a booster box before. I think it was $24.99 at the little shop we were at. A little bit higher than like Walmart or someplace like that. But it's always good to help those mom and pop shops. Walmart makes enough money. Those little shops need to have their little cut as well. So let's open this baby up. If I can figure it out. Slide the sleeve off, I guess. Alright, so it is smashed a little bit. That might have been done in my bag on the way back. Everyone's seen a booster bundle, I'm sure. Again, we have 6 packs in here. Alright. Let's go. There we go. First pack. Can we get first pack magic? Let's go. Let's hope. Alright. It's a code card if you collect those. I do not. Was it like 1 now? It's 1. Yes, 1. Alright, we got some fire. We got Tadpole, Numel, Mawile. It's been a while, baby. A Togadorama, Altaria, a Magnezone. Barres is the trainer. Ooh, we got a Larvita. And come on. First pack. Let's go. First pack magic. Let's go. Well, okay. We got a Numel. We did get first pack magic. No. We got a Palafin. We got 3 shinies in that pack. We sure did. Okay. That's what threw me off. That is what threw me off. We got 3 shinies in that pack. We'll check the prices when we get done. I am pretty much guaranteeing we're not going to come out ahead on these things, but they're fun. So some of these people can open these things up, just rip them right open. I have problems. I usually cut the pack. So I don't want to look at the color of the code card there. 1 to the front. We got Psychic, Phantom, Vulpix. Has anybody been able to pick up the new Trick or Treat, or I guess Trick or Trade packs? I looked at my local Walgreens. They don't have them yet. Darmuka, Sharpedo, Floatzel, Wishcash. We got a Tadbulb, another Tadbulb, and a Thundurus. It's a pretty nice card. Very nice card. Again, we will look up all these cards when we get done at the very end. Like I said, they were I think it was $24.99 for this box. Code card. We don't use them, so someone might as well. We got Electric. But at the end of the video, we will go through, check all the prices for everything, kind of see where we landed. Do we come close to $24.99 or do we lose our butts like usual? Toad School, Houndour, Combi. I don't need a Combi because I don't have much hair. Linnerlin. I'm killing these. Dratini, Dartix, Beartrick. We got what do we got here? Boom! We got a Gita. Alright. I don't know. I still don't like the color combinations on the Scarlet and Scarlet and Violet sets. Jeez, can't speak. So here we go. Got some Leaf Energy here. Surskit, Numel, Graveyard, Dynamo, a Paldarian Coldsire, Granbull, Malamar, I thought that was a candy bar, a Believer. Oh, look at that Palafin. Very nice card, and let's go! A Thunderous. Wow. So that card, that one, feels double the thickness of this one. Very cool card, though. Very cool. Love the colors on that thing. Wow. Wow. Very nice. That card right there actually might have made this worth it. But what do I know? I'm no Pokeologist. So, here we go. Code card. Got one more. We got this one and one more. Got some Psychic. Diglett. Rowlet. Baltoy. Finally, some I can read. Finzen. Frogadier. Stunfisk. Salesly. A Snubbull. We got a Froakie. And a Scovillian. Well, boys and girls, we're down to our last pack. We're down to our last pack here. Code card. Do you think we're going to hit something? Go down there. Timestamp 7 minutes and 30 seconds in this video. And tell me, are we going to hit something good in this final pack? Or are we going to live with a bunch of bulk and a couple shinies? Let's see. Let's get an EX, a GX, a gold card. Let's go. Got some metal. Phantom. Vulpix. Froakie. Damurka. Grumpig. That's what some people are in the morning. Bellabout. Triviant. Toxicity. A Togomura. And... Oh, we got a Clefable EX. Clefable EX for our last card. Oh, so we're going to have, what, 60 cards? 60 cards here. A lot of them are going to be 2 and 3 cents. A couple might be 50 cents. I highly doubt that we're going to hit $24.99, but you never know. There was a couple cards in there that, I don't know, to me, look like they should be worth a little bit, but we'll see. We'll put the end at the end of the video here, what all these came out to be. Guys, if you enjoy this Pokemon stuff, let us know. We're trying to diversify as much as we can to suit your guys' needs out there. If there's anything you want to see us do in a video, let us know as well. And to do that, make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. So guys, as always, be decent human being, do one good thing for everybody, and we'll see you later. Bye.